I'm making apple pie cookies. Yeah, because I wanted them to be warm with ice cream. So it'd be like apple, you know? It takes just a few minutes because I just air fry them. It's a lot of food. Some sugar, some cinnamon. Sugar cookie. Yes.
Delicious.
Put a little apple, a little dulce de leche. Boom. Apple pie for you, sir.
Is that good?
Want one?
Yes.
Very good. Is it good?
Is there more?
Dang.
Oh my god, is it good?
It's good, right?
Done.
Yeah.
That is good.
Yay.
I think they took all this thing.